Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send scheduled message on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you how we can send scheduled message to personal chat or group chat on our Instagram direct messages. So I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages by clicking on this icon. And the first one, I'm going to send a scheduled message on my personal chat. Okay. And you can type in the message you want to schedule like this. I'm going to type in, hello guys, how are you? Okay, and then if you want to send the scheduled message, you can tap and hold on the send button like this until this option appear on your screen, and you can choose the date and time to send the message, and the time zone is based on your device settings. Okay, and I'm going to select Monday, December 16, and then for the time I'm gonna select 4 p.m. And once you're ready to send the scheduled message, you can click on the send button. Okay, and the message will be scheduled. Alright, and you'll be able to see all the scheduled messages right here. Just tap on this option. And these are my scheduled messages on Instagram. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to show you how we can schedule message on the Instagram group chat. So I'm going to open up my group chat and then I'm going to type in something just like this. And if you want to schedule the message, you can tap and hold on the send button and pick the date and time. I'm just going to pick random time and date, then click on send. Okay, and to view the scheduled message, you can click on this option. Okay, and these are my scheduled messages in this group chat. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to schedule a message on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.